Hey guys, I just got a new knife in from Amazon. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a fairly cheap knife, 25 bucks ish. Supposed to be D2 steel from this Chinese company called Harnds. Don't know what to expect. I've never gotten a knife with them, but there's been a lot of good reviews on this thing, so I'm looking forward to taking a look at it. There's the model number. Got the blade length there and all that jazz. So let's open her up. Comes in a black sheath. Looks to be like some sort of ballistic nylon. Looks like it's got a ability to work on molly or a belt. Drain hole. Snap. That's in there pretty good. Yeah. It's a sheath. Alright, the star of the show. The Harnds. Warrior in D2. Well, from right off the bat, it's got G10 scales, black. It's got a pocket clip, not deep carry. You gotta have about a 3/4 or 1/2 inch of knife showing after you put it in your pocket. It's got flipper tab deploy, thumb deploy. A large oval lanyard hole if you're a lanyard guy or gal. Let's see here. You're probably not going to be able to see this because the lighting is terrible in here. But the blade is centered perfectly. Just perfectly. Okay, let's deploy this thing. Let's start with the thumb first. Opens nice and easy. There's the blade. It's got a lot of billboarding on it. But for a Chinese knife, it doesn't say made in China anywhere on there. That might be something you would like or dislike. I don't know. I got the drop point blade with the combination straight serrated. There's a few different blade and scale combinations you can do. I opted for the black on black with the combo. You can get green with titanium colored blade, either straight or combo with serrations. There's also the same thing with the Tonto style blade. So let's take a look here. It's got a liner lock. Liner lock is just perfect. It's fully engaged but not overextended. Looks like we have steel frame on both sides. That has been relief cut for weight, I imagine. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's try to deploy it with a thumb here real quick. Sorry, we did the thumb with the flipper. Yeah, opens nice. Opens real nice. Let's see if there's any kind of give on the blade, any deflection. No. That might have looked like it on camera because it was kind of wiggling, but that blade is solid. It isn't moving at all. Let's see if how the liner lock does. Nice and tight, no movement. Very good. I like it. Let's see how. Yeah, look at that. Thing closes no problem on its own just by a little wiggle. Let's see if the detent is good. It's got a good detent, should stay in place in your pocket. Heck yeah. Let's do a little cut test here real quick. Alright. I'm going to just take a piece of magazine page here. Looks like an RV. just do a quick little cut. I'll bow it over and cut here. We'll see what we got. That's good. Seems to be fairly sharp. Nice. Oh yeah. Good, good, good. Well, I tell you what. Is that going to stay? That won't stay. At first glance, this thing is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll be using it. I'll say we'll use it for a month. I'll put it through its paces. You know, I got the serrations because I cut a lot of rope and stuff. So we'll torture it a little bit, and after a month, I'll check back in with you guys and let you know. You know, first off, whether I really think this is D2 or not. We'll see how long I can hold its edge with some heavy use, and I'll let you know. But I tell you what, it looks pretty good up front. I think it might be a good deal. If this turns out to be a D2 knife, this is one heck of a deal. I'd recommend you guys getting it. Alright guys, take it easy. Bye.